Hi students, welcome back to Chakravarthy E Classroom. We are going to discuss two questions from Blood Relations chapter. These two questions can be categorized as a moderate to a little advanced. First question is moderate to a little advanced. The second question is simple moderate level question. Actually, these two questions are extracts from our regular doubt clarification sessions. Generally, our regular students pose some doubts. I choose some of the questions and explain those questions and make a video on that one so that not only those students but other students may be benefited. And the questions which are of normal quality, anyway they are going to get the questions in their respective account. And sometimes what I do, I just post these questions on YouTube also so that the other students may also know our teaching methodology. Anyway students, I already posted this one in our Telegram channel. By this time most of the students must have got the solution also. You have to get the solution in the stipulated time. Let's start this one, but before going for that students, I just would like to tell you one thing. To solve this type of questions, actually this question comes under group questions category in blood relations. To solve these questions, you must know how to draw the family chart. In our regular course, I have given you one unique method which was developed by me almost 24 years ago. One of the effective methods where you can draw that one very easily on a paper. Alright, and that will be explaining everything. For the other students also, you don't worry, even if you do not know that method also, I'll try to explain that method while explaining this question with the help of this data so that even the other students can understand the methodology. Alright, anyway students, I'm going to explain this question in a slow pace, the medium pace, so that even the beginners must understand this. The students who are already doing the advanced level questions, I advise them to increase the speed of the video if it is required. Just increase that one to 1.25. Let's start the question how they have given. There are 7 members M through S. What do you mean by M through S? Nowadays they are giving the questions like this. M through S means M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. In the consecutive order you have to take. Next, there is no single parent in the family. Very important information. Alright, what do you mean by no single parent in the family? For example, students, if they have given in this way, A is father of B. That means, according to this information, A is father of B. According to our method, how you show that one on the chart? Simple. A, father means male. Top to bottom, A, father of B, I don't know the gender of B. In our method, we will do like this. Top to bottom, left to right, male is plus, female is minus. Now, if they have given simply A is father of B, we have to stop here only. But when they have mentioned this one, there is no single parent in the family, you must show the place of A's wife also. Here, it must be there. Why that is so? Because already A is father of B. A is one of the parents of B. You have to show the other parent of B. That means A's wife must also be shown here. That is the meaning of this. Have you understood this one? Whenever you come across this sentence, there is no single parent on the chart, using this information, you have to show like this. Hope this is clear for all of you, right? Now go for the next information. S is the only, not S is, I'm sorry. S only sisters, mothers, only brothers, father is N. Don't read that one in this way in the examination. I'll tell you how to go for that in a simpler way. After that, R is the only son-in-law of P. Like that, they have given some information. Now, let us start our method or family chart. The method I have shown you in our regular classes. Okay, how to go for this one. Take this sentence and try to simplify that one. What is that? S only sister. How to draw this one? Let us take in this way. Suppose this is S. Okay, S only sister. I don't know the gender of S so far. Now, S only sister. That girl comes here. Now this is S only sister. What do you mean by only sister? Some of the students are getting confused between only sister and only child. Only sister means S has only one female sibling. That's it. S has only one female sibling. S may be having brother or brothers also, we don't know, but S has only one sister. Remember in this way. Only child means S is the only child of K, for example. That means S doesn't have any sibling, male or female, no brother and no sister. Only child, only brother, only sister. Don't get confused, right? S, only sister's mother. Now that lady is S mother only. Here it is. This is minus. Minus means female, plus means male. This lady is mother of S and S sister. Now S, only sister's mother's only brother's father is N. This lady's only brother is here. Okay, I am making it as plus. According to our method, how to go for this one? Top to bottom, left to right. Left to right only you have to read. Top to bottom only. This lady is sister of this gentleman. And this lady is mother of these two. This is the way. Right? Now S, only sisters, mother's only brother's father is N. Now this is N plus. Done. Have you got the idea? But students here, how many persons are there you take? Total 7 persons. How many have been depicted here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 2 are left out. And very important thing is that no single parent. When they have given no single parent and you have shown, you have given that this person is a father of this person and this lady is mother of these two. There shouldn't be any single parent. That means you must show N's wife here. That's a must, lady. And this person is, or N is a husband of this lady. That must be depicted. Now here, this lady is mother of these two. You have to show the husband of this lady. This person is husband of this lady. Now how many persons are there? 2 plus 3. This is 5 plus 2. Total 7 have come. This is the way, students. If you know how to draw the family chart, it would be cakewalk for you to solve blood relations. Single, like only blood relation questions are there, or blood relations coupled with seating arrangement or puzzle can be solved within the stipulated time with the help of family chart. You have to do in this way. Got it? Then the next task is to fill up the persons here. Only 2 persons are filled up, N and S. I need to go for remaining 5 as far as possible. Next information you see, next one they have given here that R is the only son-in-law of P. I cannot take it directly. You have to wait for that information. Keep it aside. Next, gender of Q and O is the same. I don't know who is Q, who is O here. Next, the relation, the information about S is given. Already S is here. You have to keep an eye on that one. Have to take this one. Here clearly they have given S is the only nephew of M. Who is your nephew, by the way? Always remember, students, if anybody doesn't know this one, I am telling you, your brothers or sisters, listen carefully, your brothers or sisters, son is your nephew. And similarly, your brothers or sisters, daughter is called your niece. Hope this is clear, right? Now, S is the only nephew of M. Already S is there. S is nephew of M. That means S must be male. Now left to right, S is brother of this girl. And S is the only nephew of M. Now you tell me, students, already 7 places are confirmed. S is nephew of M. Where shall you keep M? Obviously that should be here only. Now I am keeping M here. Because S is nephew of M. M's sister's son is S. Or S mother's brother is M. M is uncle of S. S is nephew of M. And this girl is niece of M, of course. You have to do in this way. Hope you got the idea. Next information you see here. Then O does not belong to the second generation. No, I cannot take. Now many students stop here only and don't know how to go further. You have to relate the information. How is that? How is this information you see? R is the only son-in-law of P. Very useful information. What do you mean by R is the only son-in-law of P? R is married to P's daughter. Isn't it? Right? Son-in-law. R is the only son-in-law of P. That means R is married to P's daughter. Isn't it? Now, R is the only son-in-law of P means R is male. Where shall I keep R on the chart? How many vacant places are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So very clearly this is a female, isn't it? And this is a female. Of course this is a female. Only male position vacant is here. And that too, I cannot keep R here or here. For that matter, if you go further, because if I keep R here, P should be above generation of R, which is not possible. If I keep R here, I cannot show. Anyway, this is female, I cannot keep there. But if it is male, if I keep R here, I have to show R's wife here. That is not possible because there are only 7 persons. Alright. So for that reason, only one place for R is this one. This is R. R is the son-in-law of P. Now where shall I keep P here? I don't know P's gender because P can be father-in-law or mother-in-law of R. That means R's wife. This lady is R's wife. R's wife mother should be P. So R's wife's mother, this lady's father is here N. N is husband of a lady. Now I have to keep P here. As simple as this one. How many places are confirmed here? N, P, M, S, R. Only 2 places are left out. They have given one more information for that one. What is that? Gender of Q and O, that's not at all required for us. O does not belong to the second generation. What do you mean by second generation? Always remember students, this is the first generation, this is second and this is third. Now here they have given that O does not belong to the second generation. When O does not belong to the second generation, only one place is left out. This is O. Simple one. Now who are the persons over here? M, N, O, P, R, S are over. Only Q is left out. This is Q. One more information they have given. Q and O are gender of Q and O is the same. Anyway students, O and Q both gender is same. This information is not required. This is called the redundant information. I don't need that one. I don't need. Without that information also I can solve the question. Isn't it simple for you students? See, this is the method I told you in the beginning of the video. I have developed this method 24 years ago by considering all the cases. There are 3 golden rules. Male-female rule is 1. Generation rule is 1. Gender, generation and left and right rule. Total 3 rules I have given in the regular classes. Anyway students, this is the chart. Now you see all the persons are placed here and genders are also confirmed. There is no ambiguity on that. Now let's take the questions here. How P is related to S? Simple question, you can answer this one. P is here and S is here. S, mother is P. P must be grandmother of S. Next one is how O is related to N. Now here it is O and this is N. N is obviously the grandfather of O and O should be granddaughter of N is the perfect way. I hope you understood this one. This is the way to draw the family chart. Family chart is not only useful for blood relations but for the questions which are coupled with the puzzle and seating arrangement also. Blood relation plus puzzle plus seating arrangement. That type of very high level difficulty questions also can be done easily with the help of the family chart. Take the next question students. This question must be done by you. It's not very difficult question. I can consider this question as a basic level only, but you have to do this one by yourself. Alright, what exactly they have given? There are 6 persons B, C, D, E and E, F and G in a family where males and females are equal in number. What do you mean by this one? Out of 6, 3 must be male and 3 must be female. Okay, now further how they have given C is the mother-in-law of G, who is the father of E. Simple. Next, D is the mother of F and has only one daughter. There is no single parent in the family. Very important. There is no single parent in the family. I have just given the definition of what it is and how it should be shown on the chart while drawing the family chart. Okay, let's start this one. From where shall I start? any place, any information, whatever you want, right? Let's start with this one only. What is that? C is the mother-in-law of G, who is father of E. First let us depict C is mother-in-law of G. After that we go for the second part of the sentence. How to show this one? C is mother-in-law of G. That means C should be female anyway, because mother-in-law. Mother-in-law of whom? G. You have to do in this way. Suppose this is G. So far I don't know the gender of G. So far. Okay. Now G, we should show the spouse of G also, because C is mother-in-law of G. That means G's wife's or husband's mother is C. Now very clearly C's place is this one. Mother-in-law, female. I am keeping minus. Now C is mother of this person, and this person is husband or wife of G. Now I can say C is mother-in-law of G. This is the way to draw the chart. Okay, next information you see, mother-in-law of G, who is, that means G is the father of E. Many things are confirmed here. G, father plus male. So top to bottom, G, male, father of whom they have given? G, who is the father of E. I don't know the gender of E. Keep it aside. But one thing is clear, that when G is male, this person should be female. Now left to right I am writing G, male, is husband of this lady. Now E is mother-in-law of G. Obviously, C, I told that one E, C is mother-in-law of G. Obviously here C is the grandmother of E. Very clear. Okay, now go for the connecting information here. That's over. Next, D is mother of F and has only one daughter. But before going for the students, you have to count the numbers. How many are there? 6. How many have come so far? 1, 2, 3, 4. Very, very important information. Very important is that C is mother of this lady. That means I have to show C's husband also on the chart, because they have given there is no single parent in the family. That means C must be wife of a person, male. Over. And who is the father here? G is father of E. I have to show G's wife also. That's also there. There is no problem. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more person is remaining. Now, I don't know what is that. That can be done with the further information. What's the next information here? Next one is D is mother of F and has only one daughter. How to take this information further? D is mother of F. So simple, students, as far as this arrangement is concerned, there is only one suitable place for D, that is here only. Why that is so, you tell me? Because the question why is very important for us. Why can't I keep D here or in the bottom generation? Simple one. If I want to keep D here, D being a female, I cannot keep here. Of course, if I want to place D as a separate person here, but clearly they have given there is no single parent in the family. If I keep D here and D is mother of somebody, I should show D's husband also here. D's husband and F in the below generation as far as this is concerned, but that will be more than 6%. So I cannot keep D on the top generation. Even I can't keep D in the bottom generation also. Why that is so? Simple, students. If I keep D here, D is mother. This is just for our understanding. D is mother, female. Okay, when D is mother of somebody here, F they have given up, of course. If I keep this one here, I must show one person as a husband of D, because there is no single parent. So I need to show one more person as the husband of D here. Then how many persons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 are there. Now you must get one more doubt. Sir, why can't I keep E as a husband of D? Because I have to show like there won't be any single parent. Even if you think in that way also, if I keep E as the husband, then how many persons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the bottom person, that should be 7. But there are only 6 persons. This is the insight. This is the analysis you have to do. So for that reason, D has only one place here. That is this one. Simple. and D has only one daughter, that is not F. Just read the sentence one more time. D is mother of F and has only one daughter. That means D is mother of F already. D is mother of E. That means E and F are siblings. But I don't know the gender of E or F, because here they have given D is the mother of F and has only one daughter. Only one daughter means she has only one daughter. So in her children, only one female is there, and male children may be there, may not be there. But among the children, she has only one daughter. That means between these two, one person is male, other one is female. If I take F as male, it should be female. If I take F as female, it should be male. Overall, E is brother or sister of F. I cannot go for the gender determination here, because any information you take, even this information also you take in a family where males and females are equal in number. Even though that is there, I cannot say conformly F's or E's gender, whether they are male or female. One thing I can say, equal number of male and female. How many males are there conformly? 1, 2. How many females are there? 1, 2. 2 male, 2 female. Between these two, one is male and other one is female. That is confirmed. But I don't know what is the gender of F and E conformly, whether they are male or female. Now go for the questions here. Is everything over? No, we have to fill up this place also. What is that? C, D, G, E, F. And what is left out on C, D, G, E, F is over. B is left out. It should be B. Simple. Okay. Now relations are confirmed. C is wife of B and C is mother of D. G is husband of D. And these two are over. There is no single parent, because this is one of the couples here. This is the other couple. You have to show the question in this way. Now go for the questions here. How E is related to B? See students, have to answer this one. How E is related to B? E can be grandson or granddaughter of E. I don't know the gender of E. Or if in the options it is given like grandchild, of course you can go for that one, grandchild as the right answer. So whether male or female, I don't know. Answer for this one, if the options, in the options it is given as grandson or granddaughter, that is the right one, or grandchild, that is the right one, or cannot be determined can be the answer. Data inadequate can be the answer. You have to go by the options here. Okay. Now how B is related to F? This one I can say conformly, because I know the relationship and gender of B. B must be grandfather of both E and F, whereas E and F are grandchildren of B. This is the way. Hope you understood this one, students. This is how exactly I discuss the questions in our regular courses. Thank you very much for being with me, and I request you to like this video and share this one with all your circles. That is very, very important, because students see, while you share that one in the new circles, many other students may be benefited. Thank you very much.